Citrix Virtual WAN, enhancing network performance. Citrix Virtual WAN is a cutting-edge technology that leverages software-defined networking to enhance network performance across geographically dispersed locations. By utilizing cloud networking and WAN optimization techniques, Citrix Virtual WAN delivers secure and reliable connectivity for a wide range of applications, including virtual desktop infrastructure, remote access, and data acceleration. Key features and benefits. Enhanced network security. Citrix Virtual WAN provides secure connectivity for branch offices and remote users, ensuring that data protection is always a top priority. By using firewall security and network segmentation techniques, Citrix Virtual WAN offers a secure access solution for organizations of all sizes. Application performance optimization. With Citrix Virtual WAN, organizations can improve application delivery and performance through dynamic bandwidth allocation and traffic shaping. Network efficiency and reliability. By reducing network congestion and optimizing network throughput, Citrix Virtual WAN enhances network reliability and resilience. Organizations can rely on consistent network performance, even in the face of network challenges or increased traffic. Cloud migration and data center consolidation. Citrix Virtual WAN offers seamless connectivity for organizations transitioning to the cloud or consolidating data center resources. By providing secure and efficient network connections, Citrix Virtual WAN simplifies the process of moving to a hybrid cloud environment. How does Citrix Virtual WAN work? Citrix Virtual WAN leverages virtualization technology to create a software-defined infrastructure that optimizes network performance. By using network monitoring tools and network segmentation, Citrix Virtual WAN ensures that network traffic is efficiently managed and controlled. Conclusion. In conclusion, Citrix Virtual WAN is a powerful tool for enhancing network performance and efficiency.